Ever wonder how city governments pay for major infrastructure and facility projects? Because the price tags for these projects are higher, the cost is paid over longer periods of time, much like your home mortgage, vehicle, or student loans. In general, the City of Frisco uses two funding tools for funding long-term projects: general obligation bonds or certificates of obligation. Both are considered long-range debt. Long-term projects typically start with long-range plans, commonly called master plans. These plans are usually developed every 5 years. City staff estimates its plan forecast based on population growth. As one of the fastest-growing cities in America, Frisco's population has been booming at a rate of more than 5% each year for more than 2 decades. To keep up with demand, roads, parks, and public safety and other facilities are planned many years before construction starts. Once it does, cities use voter-approved bonds or general obligation debt. You may hear our finance folks call these GO bonds. About every 5 years, the Frisco City Council appoints a citizen bond committee, which works with city staff to evaluate project needs. These Frisco taxpayers recommend projects and respective price tags for the City Council's consideration to call a special bond election or referendum. Once on the ballot, Frisco voters decide which projects they're willing to fund. Once approved, the City of Frisco issues debt over a 5-year period to build roads, traffic signals, and fire stations. The city also issues debt to develop parks or redevelop other city facilities like the library or City Hall. Your property taxes or ad valorem taxes pay back the loan or debt on these long-term projects. The City of Frisco also issues certificates of obligation debt to pay for infrastructure projects. These COs require City Council and Texas Attorney General approval and are repaid over 20 years plus interest. The City of Frisco uses COs to support many of our public-private partnerships, such as the Dr. Pepper Ballpark, Toyota Stadium, and the Ford Center at the Star. On COs, our private partners repay a portion of the debt service each year in the form of a lease payment back to the city. Your property taxes are not used to pay back CO debt unless the project is one of the city's approved tax increment reinvestment zones. How well we pay back our debt determines our city's credit rating. Our credit score and financial health determines the interest rate we're charged for GOs and COs. The better the interest rate, the more money we save taxpayers over time, just like a home mortgage. We're proud to report the City of Frisco has the highest credit scores from 2 national firms. Frisco has a AAA rating from Moody's and Standard & Poor's. And that's how your City of Frisco pays for major long-range capital projects to support our quality of life and progress in motion.